Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Wildan Haikal Fajri, student of Communication Studies at the Faculty of Social and Political Science, Universitas Majalengka. It's an honor for me to speak in front of you today and share my insights on a topic that is very close to my academic interest and personal value. Communication strategy for social campaign. In today, we are surrounded by complex social issues, from climate change, mental health, and gender equality to poverty and education. This problem requires not only policy solution but also public awareness and collective action. And that is where communication plays a vital role. A social campaign is not just about spreading a message. It's about changing people's mind, attitudes, and behavior for the betterment of society. It is a form of communication that serves the public interest, and it must be carefully designed with a strategy that can truly connect with people. But let me ask you this: how do we create a campaign that doesn't just reach people, but move them to action? The answer in effective communication strategy. In this speech, I will explain three essential components of a strong communication strategy for social campaign: audience analysis, message framing, and media planning. I will discuss how emotional connection and storytelling can elevate a campaign impact. Point 1. Deep audience understanding. The first step to any successful campaign is knowing your audience. Who are you trying to reach? What do they believe in? What kind of media do they consume? A campaign that targets teenagers will be completely different from one aimed at elderly citizens. Teenagers might respond to humor, visual, or fear influence on platforms like TikTok or Instagram. Older audience might rely more on traditional media like TV or newspaper and value factual content over emotional appeal. That's why audience research in essential. Through survey, interview, focus group, or even social media listening, without this step, a campaign risks becoming irrelevant or misunderstood. Point 2. Message framing and emotional appeal. Once we know our audience, the next step is to develop a strong message. But what makes a message powerful? It's not just the information, it's how the information is framed. For example, instead of saying recycle is important, you could say recycling protect your children's future. This type of framing turns an abstract idea into something personal and emotional. Also, storytelling plays a huge role. A story of a real person affected by an issue, like a farmer impacted by climate change or a teenager who overcome bullying, can be far more persuasive than statistics alone. People don't always remember numbers, but they remember stories. Point 3. Choosing the right channel. The three key elements is media planning. Even the best message can fail if it delivered on the wrong platform. Let's say you're launching a campaign on mental health, example, university student, while you put it in a newspaper. Probably not. Who would use Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or even Spotify ads if your campaign is for rural communication with limited internet access? You might consider communicating radio or offline poster in local language. But more than that, consistency across all media is important. Your message, your tone, your visual all must be aligned so that your campaign becomes recognizable and trustworthy. Starting point: the power of two-way communication. It's also important to note the modern campaign are no longer one way. People want to engage, not just receive. So your strategy should also include speech for interaction, comment section, Q&A session, community forum, or even open discussion. When people feel heard, they are more likely to support your cause. Thank you very much for your attention. Let us commit to becoming responsible communicator who serves the public good. May our voice become instrument of hope, clarity, and change in a nice world. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.